This is Michael Pine over at truDigital Signage. This video is to go over how to use the holidays template that we have created here at truDigital Signage. Now what the holidays template is essentially the ability to select one of many various images that we've created previously so that you can help celebrate holidays in your business or wherever you might be. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this for your digital signage. So I'm going to jump right into the truDigital platform. You'll notice I'm on the Manage Playlist tab. I've selected the playlist where I would like this content to be, and then I'll simply come into the template library, scroll down here, find the holidays template, click it, and click Install. Once I do that, it's going to bring it from the template library into the My Templates area. So now I can click on that and click Edit. And then I'll see a preview of what this template looks like, and I'll click Edit Template to make any changes. Click this block up here at the top to change the holiday, and then you'll see a bunch of different pre-made graphics that you can choose from. So I'm going to scroll down here. Let's say we want to use the Happy Mother's Day image, or one of them. I'll simply click on it and click Save, and then I'll see a preview of what this looks like, and then I can click Save Changes to save that version. Once I do, then I click Back. Now I would certainly rename this template just so you know exactly what you're working with. So I'm going to say Mother's Day, then I'll click Save, and then I'll click Edit under my live playlist, and then I'll drag and drop this content from the right to the left, and then I'll change the duration if I want to, and I can even schedule this content out, which is really nice. So I know Mother's Day is May 13th. I will come out here and select the 13th and click Save, and then this content will only display on the 13th of May on that Mother's Day. So doing it in advance is very handy. Then I'll go ahead and click Save, and that will pop up at the correct time. So that's as quick and as easy as it is to use the holidays template and schedule it out. So I certainly hope this has helped. I definitely encourage you to try it out yourself and just use that holidays template to your advantage and make your digital signage all that much more engaging and entertaining. So if you have any questions, please let us know. We're more than happy to help. And until next time, best of luck, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.